Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word iridium. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The spacecraft's satellite communication system uses iridium antennas for improved signal strength. Iridium is a hard, dense, corrosion-resistant metallic element, commonly used in aerospace applications such as satellite communication systems. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.